Thirikari ya kibururi nianjirie guthuthuria miiri iria ikitwo mugunda-ini wa acre 840 wa shakahola, mugunda uria wikaine ni wa muhunjia ukuruhanitio na udini muogomu niwe Paul Mackenzie na Uthuthuria wa Thirikari kana Muthuthuria wa Thirikari niwe Johansen Oduol uria atongoretie uthuthuria uyu mochari-ini ya malindi funeral home. Augite nimekiite uthuthuria kana nimakoretwo makiambiriria uthuthuria na nimekiite uthuthuria wa andu 12 agima, ciana 13 na miiri ingi iria itari iramenyeka no irathie na mbere na ukorwo igikwo uthuthuria.
Today we began the third phase of autopsies of the victims of shakahola incident, and we managed to perform a total of 27 postmortems today. Of these 27 postmortems, as per the age, 12 of these were adults, while 13 were children. 2 of them we were unable to establish whether they were adults or children because of the state at which they were. As per the gender, we did a male, which were 16, and a female were 9, and 2 of them were unknown because of the level of deterioration of the body. Majority of these bodies that we saw today were severely decomposed, being that 25 of them were severely decomposed, while 2 of them were moderately decomposed. And as per the cause of death, we were able to establish that 16 of them died because of starvation, while 12 of them were too much decomposed that we were unable to find what was the cause of death. So far, we have 67 bodies remaining, which we are yet to do autopsies, a process which will continue the rest of the week until we finish.